message go? Okay. All right. There it is. There we go. All the new lights, camera, action, all the things. Microphone check, check, check. Hopefully that's not too hot. Does that sound okay? Hold
Sounds
on.
good, Coach.
Thank you. Let me check the settings for the live over here too, because these might be different. Let me see. Okay, yep, that looks good. That looks good. Okay. Let me double check OBS. Audio, check, check, check. Okay, looks good there. This one's not working. Check, check, check. Try it now. Check, testing. Somebody want to say something over there? It's not working. Hold on. Yeah, you guys should not. Over on YouTube, you guys probably cannot hear anybody in the Zoom, correct? Moderators, let me know because I don't think they can hear you guys talking. Zoom, say good morning. Thank you. Moderators, let me know. I don't think they can because I don't see it lighting up. Let me know. TikTok, can you hear and see everything okay? Type in a one if you can see and hear everything okay. YouTube, if you can hear the Zoom, everybody in the Zoom, type in a one. All right, I'll do it. Yep, they can't. All right, hold on. Try it now. Everybody in the Zoom, say good morning. Go ahead. Check, check, check. Yep, we'll see if it is now. I just changed it. Buenos dias. Check, 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 check. Bucko, can you hear the Zoom on the other side? That's all we need to know. Not yet? Ah, damn it. Sorry, gang. I swapped all my systems over. Hold on, let's try this. Check, check. Test now. Zoom, is anybody there? Anybody alive? Thank you. Yeah, I've got nothing coming out of that. Check, check, test, test.
I can hear you on YouTube, Coach.
Here it goes.
I can hear you
I
as
just
well.
saw it lit up. All right, on YouTube, you should be able to hear the Zoom now. Last test.
Good morning.
Okay,
Good
yeah, no,
morning.
let's test it again.
Hello.
You got it? Testing, 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 testing. Because the last time I did it, that didn't come through. So hold on.
Yeah, it should be now. I can see the desktop audio's lit up, which is weird because I'm coming through my headphones instead of through the sound system. That's so weird.
Yeah, no, let's test it again. We got it.
Yep.
Yep, it's
Okay,
good.
awesome. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Oh.
Move systems go.
All right, let's do it. Super chats are available if you want to show the support for us being here live, answering hundreds of thousands of questions every single day for 3 years straight. That'd be great. And it just helps the algorithm. You bought dips yesterday. Nice job. Now, if you guys were a part of everything that happened yesterday, I gave you kind of a play-by-play of what we were looking for in the market. I told you that most likely they were going to decrease by 1/4 of a basis point. That happened. I told you if it showed that they wanted to do 2 more rate reductions before the end of the year, I said that the market would like that, and it does. The market is up right now. So everything we discussed yesterday in the VIP and during the regular trading hours were spot on, like always. Stock to watch this morning off of, I believe it was NVIDIA News, is Saxo. That was awesome. That was
You're so
awesome.
happy you got your setup,
I
aren't you?
am. I can hear everything. It's so
It's all
amazing.
over.
Yes.
Nice.
Trying to
That's
get
good.
trying to get out of key as much as I could there like a broken chainsaw, and it worked, and I like it. Yes. So Soxal is now up $33. If you guys remember when we were discussing it, it was around $7. You guys are almost up 500% on that call out here at American Dream Trading. Nice job. Appreciate you. I see Eric's moto is roaming around over on TikTok. Eric, where the hell have you been? Moderators have been looking for you on the daily. They said you owe them money or something. I don't know.
Where you been, boy? Let's go, E.
Paging Mr. Herman. Mr. Herman to the front desk, please. Paging Mr. Herman. Moderators, real quick, I want to thank all of you. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan, our full-time video editor. Thank you to all our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Also, thank you to our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take it. Appreciate you. Gonna have another amazing day here. If you guys are ready to join us, make sure you go over to americandreamtrading.com. You can join the community absolutely free. Click the thing and do the stuff. Do it. Do it now. Thank you. I see everybody coming in over on TikTok. You don't stop. You need to get that blowing up. Otherwise, I got to shut that thing down and restart it because the numbers should be about 10 times higher than they are right now. So something is broken with TikTok. So do the things. Here, let me demonstrate what that looks like. Okay, let me show you what you're supposed to be doing on TikTok the whole time you're watching. Here, hold on. Let me help you out. Here, let me help you out. Should be doing this. See this? This is all you should be doing the whole time. Right here. This is it the whole time. Right? Like this.
You can't see it.
Yep. Do it like this. Okay. Just like this the whole time. Make that happen. Okay, that's great. There it is. Yep. Yep, there it goes. The whole time. That's all you should be doing. Appreciate it. Thank you for those gifts over there. I appreciate that. Thank you for those new follows. That's
Recording in
awesome.
progress.
Thank you for the recording. All right, this is Thursday, September 18th. We are ready to go again. Thank you. I'm on it. We're ready to rock and roll again. Let me share out my screen. Thank you, Bruno. And I think I can get the image on there as well today. Hold on. There we go. There it is. Yay! Audio testing. Testing of the audios. Sorry, I'm going to be messing with this thing all day to make sure it's right. I keep adjusting these sound settings over here to make sure it's cool. So you guys will just have to, you'll have to suck it up, Buttercup. That's how it's going today. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's great. We got 233 people in here live with us in our Zoom. You guys can join them right now by going to americandreamtrading.com. Join the community. You guys, then after that, you should see our premium membership that is free for a week, crypto free for a week, and futures free for a week. After that, they renew at the regular rates. Stocks and options, aka premium, is 125 a month. Crypto is 50. Futures is 250, and it also includes the trading view indicators. Get on over there. Get set up with something real nice. If you guys want, if you guys sign up for the VIP right now for a year, we will give you VIP gold for free for a year, $2,500 value. If you guys are new over here, make sure you check out the welcome FAQ terms of service. And if you go to Coach's Affiliates, you guys can get discounts on all little things like free Webull shares, Trading View subscription discounts. You can get discounts on Teslas, Rivians, SoFi, checking accounts. Like I've got everything over there, right? It's just my affiliate link, right? You get a little, we get a little, everybody wins. If you guys need help at any time over on our server underneath American Dream Trading, you'll see help desk support. Click on that, click the envelope, and that will open up a help desk ticket. Remember, we'll not send you a friend request. We are not going to trade for you. We're not going to send you a direct message, which you will get banned, by the way, on our server if you do that. That is not us. Those are scammers. So don't do it. Also, we have, sorry, I'm getting blown up with Apple Store. Everything's being shipped for tomorrow. Yay, Apple Day tomorrow for those that celebrate Apple Day. Go to our education and training area on our server. We've got tons of free stuff over there. We've got ebooks, flashcards, stock terminology, candlesticks, and patterns and how to read those, how-to videos, games, ebooks, everything to get started over there. All right. Speaking of getting started, real quick, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Couple rules that we live by here while you are with us, hopefully permanently, because where else could you possibly go that does what we do? Nowhere. Make sure you follow these rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. If you're a new trader, do not use real money. You should be paper trading only. Make sure you have stops on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, or futures, or crypto. Almost left out the crypto. Stops on each and every trade. Make sure you guys go in with small position sizes. That'll allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. Make sure you guys journal each and every single day. That's for accountability and to get your mind right and see what was going on with those trades. And remember, while you are in training, paper trade, simulate trade only. Do not use real money while you are in training. Also, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. It's the most volatile time of the day. Okay, that's great. That's nice. All right, we're going to have another amazing day today. Of course, yesterday we had another $1 million day. Speaking of $1 million days, One of our members, right off the press, high budget program, with this name that will not be said, is now at $10 million. $10 million in profits. He's been with us for 3 years, took a $700 account after working with us for 2 years. $700 account in October, started trading that live around November, so about 10 months, give or take, has turned $700 into $10 million. Nice job. Congratulations. Nice work. By the way, the first year that he was here at American Dream Trading, he was able to retire. The second year, he was able to do more than the first year of his retirement. And the third year, of course, now he's one of the richest people on planet Earth. So that's pretty nice. That's a pretty good journey here at American Dream Trading. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, good.
I was gonna say, am I right? Am I wrong? He may be right, but he may be
You're 100%.
wrong. Thank you. Does he do the EWO or scalp? Both. The first 2 years, all he did was do the EWO. And then as he got better and better and all the things, started to scalp. Now does kind of a combination platter, but mostly scalping. But he is fantastic at the 2-minute EWO. That's what retired him, by the way, in the first year, was using the 2-minute EWO. Yep. By the way, he is included in one of our 14 total new millionaires that we have generated here in the last 3 years in American Dream Trading. On average, we're doing about every other month, close to creating a new millionaire. 12 of the 14 people, by the way, had never traded a day in their life, which is incredible for us. Now, remember, I'm not checking brokerage statements. So don't come for me. This is just as reported by our members, but we've seen their journeys, where they've come from, where they go. We've been doing this for 3 years, right? So a lot of our members are doing some exciting things. Listen, if that's not you yet, that's okay. Trading is very hard, okay? Some of you could take 10 years, 20 years, who knows? This is extremely hard. Anybody that tells you trading is easy is full of crap. We make it look easy. The mechanics of clicking a mouse button is easy, but trading is not easy. Okay? So I don't want anybody getting ideas of grandeur like, oh, I'm just going to come in and make $1 million. No, you're not. You're really not. You need to work with us. You need to train with us or whoever you're comfortable with, right? And you need to have the greatest of risk management. And that is why we stress it so much here. We want to help you protect your assets while growing your portfolio. We always, and forever are talking about risk management. Okay, risk management is more important than making money. Guess what? If you lose all your money, you have nothing, right? So who cares if you're trying to make money? If you're just going to lose money in the process, it will do you no good. That's not for you. By the way, I am in my new setup down here, which is in my sunroom. So if you guys notice, everything's a little bit different. I'm in a room right now. It's all windows. I have a beautiful view of my deck outside, the woods. It's absolutely beautiful. I apologize if the sound is a little off. I'm working on stuff. I just built everything in here yesterday. Literally took me about 6.5 hours yesterday to recreate a whole new setup. All the professional microphones, all the things, all the laptops, right? All the equipment, the sit stand desk, the microphones, the audio, the lighting. It was a lot, right? It's a lot. A lot goes into doing what we're doing here, but we do this for you. We want to make sure that you guys get the very best of everything. And that starts right here with us being live. Speaking of being live, we are live every single day, 3 times a day. I'm here from 9 to 11. Mark is then here again from 2 to 4, training and trading live in front of you for futures. And then we have the aftermarket program every night at 4 o'clock. Now, our paid members also have gold breakout rooms, right? We do those different days of the week. We also have mentorship classes, different days of the week. We also have Saturday training, Sunday training, depending on which membership you have. I mean, we are training literally 7 days a week. If you're a Diamond member, of course, you have access to everything, right? Our full video library of training, every single of membership is included with that training. Let me look if we have any other. I think that's all the sales that we're running at this time. We're kind of salesed out. We did it so much for everybody, trying to get everybody into something amazing. So let's see. Oh, and don't forget, every week, if you're a newer member or you need some refresh course of what we do here, every single week, every week we do an onboarding class. If you go up to our calendar, it says 11 events right now. If you go up to that calendar on our server, it'll give you every single day everything we're doing, okay? Make sure you guys check it out. Let me see 1 second. So real quick, if you guys sign up for that premium membership, you guys are going to get live Zoom access 8:45 to 4 o'clock. The membership lounge, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup where we give you those key critical areas to trade at the bell and throughout the day. The IPO center and the videos on demand. We have 11 training videos to get you started. If you upgrade to VIP, which I highly recommend, that's where you get started. You'll have pre-market early access, 12 hours a day of training from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. The VIP lounge, all the workshop classes from before, and we put those on once a month. All the advanced training videos, we have over 50 of those, and the Trading View indicators, which I have designed and developed after being in the stock market for 30 years. Check that out. If you're a VIP member, you can add on the VIP Gold. With the Gold, you're going to get weekend training, the live Apple chat. You'll get to work with David over there. He has his own channel over on our servers where he is trading live with Apple. Remember, that's not to mirror or mimic, but to show you how he is doing it. David so far has not had a red day in almost a year and around $860,000 in profits. You can watch him do exactly what he does that he's been trained and designed to do here at American Dream Trading. With that gold, you'll also, or yeah, with the gold, you'll also get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, the VIP Gold Lounge. You'll also get our newsletter that we pump out once a week right now. Amazing stuff. And of course, everything is recorded for you. We also have that futures membership and crypto. Again, check it out. If you want to get access to everything, Diamond. Diamond membership gets you access to everything that we have. Okay. Now, we were running for a long time a Diamond lifetime membership that is gone, but you can get into a monthly or an annual and get everything started. Do I have any Diamond members in the Zoom room? And do you like the Diamond membership? Is there anybody in here?
Yes, coach.
Absolutely, coach.
Yes,
Oh,
coach.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yes, coach.
Yeah. Learning every day, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Best thing I've ever done.
Appreciate
Working on my
you.
mechanics.
Thank you. Appreciate you all. Also, thank you. Also, don't forget, I don't say this enough, but we should. We also have a Spanish lounge, okay? So if Spanish is your first language and it's easier for you to get training and education, we got you covered, right? I think it's is it premium and up, I believe.
Yes.
Yes, okay, thank you. So please join us. We have people from around the world, right? We appreciate you. Anybody that's in the Zoom right now, anybody from outside of the United States, are you in here with us? And where are you from?
Yep, from Thailand.
Thailand, thank you.
Well, not from Thailand, but yeah, I'm in Thailand.
Appreciate
Hello
it.
from Hungary.
Hungary, thank you for being here. Anybody else?
Canada.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
From Canada.
Canada, thank you. Appreciate you being here. Thank you. Anybody? Thank you. Anybody from out of the country?
Romania.
Romania, thank you. Appreciate you being here, Marion. Thank you. So anyways, as you can see, we have people from everywhere, right? And all walks of life. That is what the beauty of what we're doing here. Come as you are, right? We're ready to,
World Dream Trading.
that's right. We're ready to train you up. Doesn't matter where you're from, right? Obviously, there's regulations, check with your regions, all the stuff legal. But again, right, we want to work with you. We want to help you regardless of your experience. We have, listen, most of the people that come in here, just so you know, have minimal or no experience in the stock market, right? Trading stocks or options or futures or crypto. It's okay. This is the spot to start with, all right? This is where you want to be. We have everybody from I don't know what a stock is or how to trade it, all the way to people that have been on Wall Street, right, for 40 years. I've got financial people in here. I've got everybody, doctors, NFL players, MLB players. I mean, we've got famous people, movie actors and actresses. We've got YouTube, right, content creators with millions of followers. We have literally every single person, all walks of life in this room with you. Everybody is welcome. Everybody is on the same playing field. Nobody is better than anybody here. We want to get all of you to a better place, right? And here at American Dream Trading, by the way, we try to train and educate on more than just stocks, options, futures, and crypto, right? We kind of like want to make sure your life is better. We want to make sure the community is helping you every chance we can. This is all about people helping people. That's what I designed and developed this entire program for. Is I wanted people to live a better life and not have to go through some of the hardships myself and other people in the room, right? We all have our stories, but trying to show you there is another way. So if you're sick of that 9 to 5 job, if you're sick of that grind, if you've been looking for another way, something to do, this is a really good starting place. Okay. So I appreciate each and every one of you taking time with me. And again, thank you to all of our moderators putting all of this on. Today, I'll be running till close to 11 o'clock. I should be able to. Should be no problem. I've got a mentorship today. Oh, speaking of that, I've got a spot available either once a week or once every other week to train with me all year long. I have one of those set up for today with Tyler, but today, get it. Open up a help desk ticket, 5 seconds to the bell. Open up a help desk ticket, and you can get signed up with me or David for a full year. Okay, here we go. Market is now open. See what we're going to do. We should get a nice little pop. Well, let me see. Yeah, we should. Well, it ran up in the pre-market, so let's look for a drop here at the open. We're going to look for a drop till it finds support. There goes Apple on a 2-minute EWO to the upside right out of the gate. Be a 6-star trade above 241. Just remember, Apple has had a tendency to pop at the open and then pull back. All right, here comes the pullback that I was looking for. That's that pullback right there I was looking for at the open. See if that'll continue to pull. Let's see, SPY down there. Oh, that was a double bottom. I didn't even see it. Double bottom is 661.50. Everybody see it? That was a double bottom, and I did not catch that. You guys got to help me out when you see that stuff, right? Thank you. Appreciate you. Double bottom still. SPY. Got a big old pop off that double bottom. Huge bounce. Anybody get that double bottom bounce on SPY that I missed because I didn't see it? Talk to me. Anybody?
No, sir,
Yes,
I can get
sir.
in it. Oh, we got a yes.
I did, coach.
Thank
I did.
you, thank you. Yep, sorry I missed it. I didn't see it and nobody in the room called it out. It's a nice blast off that. Wow, that would have been a beautiful setup right to start the day and I missed it. Whoops. A little bit of chop here at the open. Apple did that, right? It did that pop like I talked about and then pulled back right away, didn't it?
Yes, it did, coach.
Yep, yep.
Volunteer to the upside, new high.
Thank you.
Small account holders start to watch Mara.
MARA, yeah, crypto's starting to run again. Yep.
Yep, getting ready for its next breakout.
Yep. So Mara, Coin, MSTR, right? Keep an eye on all of those, right?
Hot
Hitting it.
stock, big PBM to the upside.
Thank you. It's trying to hold it. It can't. It's just fading up here. SPY still off that double bottom. Looking to see if we're going to get more push out of that or not. Waiting, waiting, waiting. SPY sitting below the 9 over there.
Amazon you low there.
Thank you.
Apple bounced off that pre-market low.
Thank
Meta's
you.
on a triple bottom.
All right, thank you. Yeah, this is on the struggle bus over here. Now get that pop and rip. I was looking
Ain't
for
not
a
touching SPY right
I
now.
was looking for a nice big beautiful bounce and drive off that. There it goes. I was gonna say off that double bottom.
Apple double bottom.
Thank you. There it goes. That's what I was looking for. That's better. Come on, push. Come on, get up there. It's trying. Turtle power. Still working at it. Oh, that was a crazy looking blink on my screen. Come on, SPY. What are you going to do? Get that push right here. See if it can break through VWAP, right?
Google double top.
Thank you. SPY's got a long way to go if it can start to make that move to the upside with that gap to pre-market high, doesn't it? Starting to get a bigger move. Come on, push. There we go. That's better. That's better, isn't it? Who's still in that double bottom bounce?
Google new high.
Thank you. we
Google
go.
second green EWO.
Thank you. So I get a nice push off this here. Still trying. It's getting a little bit of resistance up there. 20 seconds on the candle.
Yeah, I do see that, coach. We do have a little bit of traffic on the left-hand side off that 66244 area.
Yep. I'm watching it. Trying to see if we can get a break out of there. I'll set a hard stop off this just in case it can't hold. Still fighting the spot. Got stopped out. Couldn't hold. Petering out.
That's our new lower day.
Thank you. Just have to start taking little bits if I have to, it looks like. It can't hold. It's not holding. SPY now underneath VWAP and the 9. Could have that gap back down to 661.35. Yep, SPY pulling below the 9.
Yep.
Looking to see if this got a little bit more. Little dab will do ya. Alright, still sitting on this major level. There it goes. What kind of fill was that? What the heck? Did you guys see that fill?
Mm-hmm.
That was that weird or what?
Sure was.
Yeah, it felt that weird today.
That was, alright, that was ridiculous.
We do got ES on a double bottom, coach, right there.
Thank you.
681.25 over.
Yep, thank you. Yep, that's what I was looking for, that 661.30. Still pulling here. Like I said, I had the nice gap to the downside. Did anybody hammer that?
Yep.
Alright, good job. That was that gap below the 9 all the way down to the double bottom 661.30. This is the second time it's hit it. Let's see if it's got more.
On SPX is testing the 9
Thank you.
on the 2-minute. Apple retesting that 239, coach. Double
Thank
bottom.
you. Nice, nice. Don't like that candle. Didn't like that candle at all. Not today.
Oh, Billy.
Yeah, I want to see it break through here on this to the downside now.
Yep. Oh my God. Let's go.
Yep, a
Getting
minute.
paid, coach.
Yep. Nice. Who's in that SPY to the downside there? Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Who's in that?
I am.
Thank you.
All right. We do have a strong support here on the ES at that 676 area.
Support at what?
676, coach.
676. What is that?
Yeah.
from
What are you
ES.
reading? It should be 660. You should mean 660s. Some.
Oh, I'm reading the ES.
EVS.
The
Oh.
MES.
Oh, okay. We're all watching SPY, partner. You're in the wrong channel, brother.
No, I know, but I'm looking at the ES
Yeah. No,
to
we're trading
correlate with my
SPY. Yeah.
with SPY.
Yeah, we're trading SPY.
I know, but you gotta call spy.
Yeah, you gotta call SPY in here.
Oh, sorry.
Apple's also polling.
Thank you. Yep, I see it. Yeah, SPY below 661.34. Who's in that downside?
Still in it.
One person. Nice.
Yeah, sorry, coach. I used the ES to navigate my SPY trades, but
I
I'm only
gotcha.
trading SPY. It's like my little cheat sheet code.
Here we go. Come on, baby. Pull. Pull.
There you go. Come on, pull.
There it goes.
Pull.
Be nice if it can drop down to 660.57.
Yeah, this is
Yeah, that would be
nice.
great.
Oh, that's
There it
nice.
is.
Oh, that's
Touchdown.
nice.
Got it, coach.
I'll take it.
Next support, coach, will be 660.05.
Wow, that took a long time to fill that order. Did you guys see how
It
long
did.
did you see how long my order sat there? Oof.
I hate when
Yikes.
it does that.
Yeah, it
It's
costs
like playing with my feelings.
yeah, it costs about $300 every time it's slow like that. Times that by 50 trades in a day, right? Oof.
15-minute rule.
Thank you. Who's still in these SPY puts?
Right here.
Me. The awe.
Thank you. So 2 people out of 350 people are in it. Good job to you two. Oh, there you go. Okay, thank you. They appreciate you.
I did shave and collect some profits here at this 660.57 support, and I want to see if it can drop down all the way to that 660.05. Here we go.
Apple crashed too.
I have 10 puts, so I'm already $200 and some change.
Nice
Yeah, after
job.
that break off that 239 on Apple, should have hammered it. That was a sign.
All right, there's all our next major levels.
And yet a double top on Apple at the 241.
Mm-hmm.
If there were only a place that I could learn such a thing.
Man, if there was just one single place
Just the
that
one.
will teach you everything, literally everything.
You
Huh.
guys know there is. American
Really?
Dream.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go,
Apple's
There's
still
only
2-minute.
333 per people who know that this morning, apparently.
Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside, looking really nice there. Good job.
Oh yeah.
Coach, how much coffee could Eric have at 6:45 a.m.?
I don't know. Sounds like quite a bit.
I'm writing both, coach. I'm writing AAPL and SPY.
Nice job.
Off that break of that 239.
Apple is not stopping to go straight to hell. Phew.
Should have
Still
went in
going.
heavier. If anything, I kind of didn't go into heavy. Proper risk management, if you will.
Hmm. SPY still to the downside, still below 661.34.
Google is on the triple bottom.
Thank you. Let me check the Qs. Yeah, Qs also to the downside.
Yeah, almost looks like SPY.
Apple's right at yesterday's low where it keeps bouncing.
Is
Yep.
it? Okay.
That 237.73.
Yeah, might be a good shed point for folks.
Yep, I see it.
SPY is on a critical position. It's going to all drop again or just pop. One or the other.
Yeah, it's this is like its little breathe back from
Mhm.
running so long.
Yep. Yeah, that's why I said that 660.57 strong support. And on SPX on the 2-minute, it's literally on top of the 21 EMA.
Yep.
Amazon also bounced on previous day low, trying to work its way back up.
Awesome, thank you.
I'm pointing out the 20s sometimes on SPY, Coach. Look at that. It went down to the 20s.
Look, I called it. Look at that.
Yep.
That bounce and boom.
Look at your students, coach. Don't we all sound like big professionals?
I know it. That's what I was just thinking. Listen to everybody in here. That's awesome.
We can call SPY like nobody's business now.
That's great.
I remember like freaking back in August, freaking 2-3 years ago, remember, coach? Man, we were so brand new.
I know.
We
Now
were like
listen.
babies.
And now listen. And now we just had somebody make $10 million. Like, woohoo! Right?
Go.
It's
I
awesome.
remember when Eric was this big.
That's right. All right, now SPY is above that
I
661.
remember when a coach was telling me to go look at Ford.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
661.34. Remember, that's a major spot.
Yep.
661.34. So we're going to use that. Wow, this is getting a lot of volume. Okay, this looks like a this looks like news volume.
A big reverse and a lot of stuff.
What the heck? Why did that order? That order is crazy how long it's taken to fill.
Yeah, we got the Qs, we got the ES, SPX, everything is bouncing.
Look at the order sitting in the sell state. Can you guys see my order on the screen?
Yeah.
Wow, that was forever and a day.
My goodness.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Jesus, now he's low and the other people are high.
We pretty much back to where it started.
Let me mute all these mics. I got it. Moderators, I got it. Look at this pop. Wow. All right, we're coming up to a double top here at the open. Around
Coach, you're
this,
using your 49-inch?
no, everybody watch around 662.30. No, I'm in a completely different office that I set up.
I was gonna say because your screen looks a little different.
Yeah, I'm in my sunroom office that I created, hand built yesterday. Double top right here, everybody, from the open. Do you see it?
Yep.
Yeah, 100%.
Be careful, 662.30 here.
Yeah, I got all those puts real quick.
Third test from 9:15 pre-market.
Thank you. Almost
on AMD.
Almost afraid to trade off the desktop. Might flip this to my mobile because it's taking way too long to fill orders off the desktop.
Who just said 30 cents and then bounced on 30? How do you pick that off to the penny, coach?
That's what I do.
You're also watching is same thing. I guess you know where things go.
Yeah, that order was faster. But
And coach,
man,
your Wi-Fi right in that office?
yeah, but it shouldn't affect it for this part because I'm getting like 500 each way on my Wi-Fi. Not much latency, and it wasn't doing it yesterday, so I think it's Weeble. Anybody else having slow delayed market orders for Weeble?
Yeah, only on the sell ones.
Yep.
I saw a little
Yeah,
bit, but
coach, I'm
usually it was
getting
not
that
that
too.
bad.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting that too, coach. It's selling really slow.
Yep.
First Ethernet. As opposed to Wi-Fi.
There it goes. It's a little faster. Yeah, I could run hardwire in here. Yep. You guys see that double top pullback that I called out? Yes.
Yes.
To the penny, by the way, not a penny off today. Am I right?
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Yesterday I was off by a penny twice. Palm called me on it. Palm called me on it. Keeping me honest. Keep me honest about it.
You're narrowing it down, coach, because the day before that you were off by 2.
I know it. I'm dialed in today.
Hey, coach.
Yep.
When someone asks you, "Hey, how did you? What? How?" You just got give them the old classic. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? I learned it from American Dream Trading is what I'll say. Shoot.
Oh, coach.
Tell me. Damn, I should have stayed in that off that, but I hate these fill orders, but I should have stayed off that double top. Should have just stayed in those puts, rode it forever till hell until it went flat if I had to. Because this is pulling beautiful down here.
Early this morning, coach, we were talking about getting your training from the Gold Mastermind Trading. If anybody hasn't seen that and they're not gold, guess what?
Get it. See if this has got more to give. No, I don't like that
5
candle.
minutes.
Don't like that candle against me.
5 minutes.
SPY sitting at that 661.30. Remember we talked about that this morning?
Yep.
Yep.
It's like a mini support.
Yep. $661.35 to be exact.
Yep, I've got it at 34, but yep, there it goes. There it goes.
Ooh.
That's nice. Come on, blink out. Ah, get down there and stay down there.
Your next support, coach, is 660.90.
I got 660.64. But yeah, I saw it stalled at 661 last time.
Yeah. 660, 64. That's the next one.
Yep, there we go. That's better pull.
And typically we see $1.50 pull from double tops.
Oh, I
in
went the
early
opposite
part of
way.
the- That
You're
looks
almost there,
good.
coach. You're almost there.
Taking it, because look how long it takes to fill, so. Got
That
it.
660.90 is just a micro support, but the bigger one is the one you just called
Yep,
660.64.
yep. The 661, I saw where it stalled earlier. And then below that's that 660.64. You guys see that 661? We're watching to see if we can get a break of that area now. Jung, we are trading SPY. Even though you're looking at NQ up there, I'm trading SPY. At least I'm calling out SPY, but you guys are watching. You guys are watching futures. You're watching NQ. If you're watching me for free. But I'm calling out SPY the whole time. So you guys should have SPY on your charts, okay? There
All
we
right,
go.
coach, we're almost there.
Yep, looking for the
660.90.
break. 661 right here. I want to see this break. Come on, baby. We're sitting on that support again. That's where it stalled out last time. If you look at those, oh, there it goes.
That
Wow.
candle, woohoo!
Wow. That's the
That thing whips you
Widowmaker.
in the face.
Oh my
Damn.
gosh.
That's the one where you don't take out the trash on time.
Yeah, holy crap. Wow, right? Wow, right at 661, it just went pew.
Yeah, Google did that too, and it took SPY with it.
Wow. That's where you watch your contracts go.
This is why you have a stop loss.
That's right. Wow, that didn't even really come back at all. It just went up and it just stayed up there,
Yep.
sitting at VWAP now. 30 seconds still on this candle. Wow.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, minute and a half, right? Yeah, minute and a half. We're so close now. Thank you everybody for being here and doing this to your screen a million times. Thanks. Appreciate that. Thank you for that new subscription and follow over there. I see you. Thank you, Nat, for the roses. Stos for the friendly friendship necklace. Thank you. All right, looking for a break of VWAP here. There we go. Starting to make a move to the upside. Is it going to hold? Wow, all off that 661, right?
Yep.
Wow. Okay, remember 660, 230 is where it pulled back. That's where we called it at last time for the double top. So 660, 230 last time was resistance. Market. Don't forget, if you want to join us, go to americandreamtrading.com. 5 seconds till volume, 5 seconds. Now, volume coming in now.
We're back to the top right now.
Yep, looking for 660, 230. There it is, just tapped it. See if this time it can break through, or we're going to get another pullback. We got a lot of volume. 4 giant candles in a row from SPY. 4 full 1 minute candles in a row for SPY. See it? Breaking through.
We do got that 662.44. Little micro double top right there. You see it, coach?
I do. Yep, off those wicks.
Yep.
Yep.
And then on the 2 minute, you have the 55 EMA as resistance too.
So here we go. So that broke through. Now I'm looking for a pullback retest of 660, 230. If this can hold above, I will long it. A minute. That is a long above 660, 230 with a stop just below it, correct?
Yep.
Okay, great.
I've been in it since the double bottom, so
Good job.
I'm good.
You got no fears. I got fear on what I'm trading up here. That's why I got in and out so fast when you guys saw me do it, because I'm sitting on a 200 on mine. See it? I traded it.
NSTR. up 5%.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
New high of the day.
Remember we called that this morning, right? Because Bitcoin was up to like 118 this morning. So MSTR coin, Riot and Mara watching those today, right? Good job. Also, we called out Soxel this morning, right? Mark said Nvidia had big news, and I said, hey, that means you guys better be watching Soxel. Called it out in the Traders Lounge first thing this morning. Did everybody get that message? Okay, great. Because if not, you're not paying attention to the channels. First thing you do when you guys come in, by the way, very first thing everybody does, free, paid, don't care. First thing you do, check all channels. You understand me? Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, we called that out at 7:29 this morning. 7:29 in the Traders Lounge this morning. All right, who's in this long on SPY on that 662.30? Said the long
in
that.
it.
Thank you.
Right here, coach.
Thank
Still
you.
in it.
Thank you. Soxel new high a day, 9%. 9% going for a 5x on that since the call out on Soxel about 6 months ago for us here at American Dream Trading. Congratulations. SPY still to the upside. Nice job. Good job. Market's
Yeah,
been
barely a
open.
breathe back there, huh?
Yep. Yep. Market's been open 34 minutes. Anybody make any money yet today?
Yes, sir. Done for
Thank
the
you.
day.
Nice job.
Yes, coach.
Yeah.
Was that a trick question?
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, buddy. Posted, coach, that I listened to you.
Thank you. Nice job. Soxel again, new high a day, 9.3% on Soxel. Now, we have some members in here that have a ton of Soxel. Who's still holding over there in Soxel land? Anybody? I know somebody was talking about it this morning.
Yes.
There it is.
I've
Thank
got
you.
some.
Thank you.
Dr. Richard was talking about it.
Is that it? Okay, thank you. 9.4% on Soxel.
Professor Richard.
Thank you. SPY still climbing. SPY still climbing. Beautiful trade above 662.30. Congratulations, everybody in the room. Nice job. SPY is now up a 0.5%. Soxel 9.54% now. Soxel 9.54. SPY continuing to climb, making its way up to the 200 MA.
It's beautiful, coach.
Yes. It's glorious.
I didn't see a red candle yet, so it's still have all my contract, and it's all I'm doing is just raising the stop.
Yes, nice job. Well, that was supposed to be a little lower, but all right.
Since you called that bounce, coach, the calls on 1 day out were 100% now.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I had this top too tight. This thing is a ripper.
That's just paper for me, but somebody picked up on it. They did really well.
Soxel 9.85%, continuing to make new highs. SPY coming up on the 200 on the 1 minute. Please be careful here now. Great spot to take some off the table, not financial tax or investment advice. You can always add if it breaks and holds above. Just a rocket ship over here. Wow.
It's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
20 is too tight of a stop. Collection point. Waiting.
They're waiting for Mr. T in England to have a talk here in a minute, so maybe that might have something to do with it.
All right, thank you. Well, it should have ran from the news of yesterday. This is coming off of yesterday's anticipation of 2 more rate reduction cuts. Stoxel 9.78%, still staying up nice and tall. Did anybody collect over here on SPY on this
Yep,
200?
yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yep.
I mean,
Absolutely, Coach.
it still
Yes,
has,
did.
thank you. It still has potential to run, but always better to be safe than sorry. And we can always add in again after the fact, right? So it's still got a lot of momentum. I just like to collect in those key areas, take some of that weight off, let you breathe a little bit easier, right? Let it continue to run with smaller amounts. I mean, you guys got in and above the 662.30, and we're up here at 663.30. That's a full dollar move on SPY, right? One minute is stair stepped up. It came off those 4 long green candles and just kept going. Starting to get more momentum here again. Like to see it pop that area and run.
Apple double bottom again.
Thank you.
IWM is coming to a triple top.
All right, thank you.
That 845 low on SPY looked like 663.50. If it breaks it, that'll be interesting.
All right.
Just watching IWM is approaching that high of 244, so be careful.
Ah, dang it. There goes SPY. SPY, this is where we can add, right? As long as we stay above the 200, right?
Second green 2-minute on NVIDIA.
Thank you. Wow, what a push. Look at Soxel, 10.34%. Who's in those Soxels? Great for small to mid size accounts. Yes.
Coach, those SPY candles are just insanely.
Yeah, and they haven't stopped. It's so rare. This is such a rare event right here with SPY going on. Look at them. Ding,
Seven
ding,
on
ding,
the
ding, ding, ding,
2-minute.
ding.
Also, there's like 8 green candles on the 2-minute. That never happens.
Yeah, and it
Usually
came
5 or 7 before a red candle comes.
Yeah, it came off of 4 giant green candles and then just stair stepped the whole way to new high today, like at least open high. But look at it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and
He's made a
Coach,
buttload of money.
Coach Meta's on a double top. It was funny because yesterday we were talking about dumping it from our reviews in the morning, and here it is, trying to get our attention.
Oh yeah, well Meta just released the new Ray-Ban Meta display glasses yesterday. So
Yeah, that's why I was watching
yep.
it. It was like a pretty big event, right?
Yeah, they just, reinvented Google Glass again. That's literally they just brought out Google Glass again.
But that's the battle, and that's the new battle, right?
Yep. The
You
Google
got those
Glass
3
was
companies,
just
Apple, Google, and Meta.
Yeah, Google Glass was just 9 years too early. That's all it was. They were just too early to the party. People didn't understand technology back then like they do today, right? They're like, what is that? I'm not going to wear glasses to see information. And now everybody's like, I want it.
Oh, Apple just lost this
Isn't
battle.
that funny?
SPY tested this 4 times in the pre-market and didn't hold.
It was just funny. Just people weren't ready for it yet. That's all it was. And now they are because they're getting more and more stuff. All right, right here, SPY pulling back 663.76. Looking to see if it'll come back down to that MA 200, and the 9 is both sitting there. Now remember, if you look at this, it's showing us where support is, right? Market right there. 663.40. You see it? It is showing us that that is support right now. Everybody see it on your screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so that's support.
And coach, that augmented reality getting blended with the Google Glass or whatever glass lens is going to be an amazing experience.
Yeah, I told you that'll be the next thing, right? Because once you can get it small enough to fit on your face without a giant, heavy product,
Yeah.
that they'll be the winner. And the good thing is now with Apple Air, since the entire phone components is just in that little camera bump, that means they're really close to being able to throw that all into the side of a frame of glasses, right?
Yes, sir.
And I told everybody that's coming. That's the future, right? I've been saying that. Am I right? Today we're getting more of that look. All right, right here on mine is support. See if SPY is here.
What's interesting is Apple is on a 6-star short and SPY's on a 6-star positive.
Yeah, that's crazy, right? Typically it doesn't
Exact
do that.
opposite.
Yep. Good
Yeah,
eye on that.
NVIDIA is have a lot of influence in SPY today.
Yeah, let me see how the Qs look. Yeah, the Qs are up.
I was in the early morning also listening to Palm and Richard. They talked about Open Coach. It did just what they were suggesting it might do.
Nice, nice. I wonder where they would have got that type of information. There's only one place you can go, right?
Oh yeah.
Trained by the best.
American Dream Trading, baby. Good
Thank
job.
you for your,
Yeah,
thank you for your hand picking.
Very
And
nice.
we are there.
Just remember, right? If it runs in the pre-market, it's going to pull at the open, right? And then it's going to look for support, bounce, and then try to make new highs. Talk about that every day, right? That's what we do. It's who we are. You're simply the best. Oh, somebody
Hey,
just,
Coach.
yes.
You're best.
There you go. Nice. Nice. Somebody said they were in Soxels. I saw it on one of our channels and I went past it too fast. Dang it. Nice. P&Ls are already being posted. Good job. I see a lot of new people joining us. Thank you. Go to americandreamtrading.com to join us. Nice work. Brian, if you can hear us, you have a help desk ticket open, 5545, Brian from Los Angeles. You still have a help desk ticket open. You need to respond. Paging Mr. Herman. Mr. Herman to the front desk. We've got your email. We opened up a ticket. We're communicating with the ticket. You need to get in the ticket.
Paging Mr. Herman.
Mr. Herman to the front desk, please.
Hey, Coach,
Yeah, tell me.
that was Doc K in the Zoom chat. He's still holding SOXL shares up 10K since April.
Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, love it. Love it.
Coach, my runners that I had from the 40K are
Yes.
4K. They're up 4,500.
Oh my gosh. So that's 44,500 in profit so far on Soxel?
Yes, sir.
Love it. Absolutely love it. You guys hear that? He's up 44,500 on those Soxel calls when we called it back in the day. Love it. Off of a $10,000 buy-in, right? It's glorious. It's glorious.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good job. Proud of you, man. Oh, wow. Is this going to get another big push? Ooh. Seeing a lot of, I mean, a lot of volume here. Yep. Yep.
This is crazy. I can't believe it.
Yeah, it's running
This is
now.
not Solend.
There it goes, Coach.
Yes.
Wow.
Yep. It's glorious, isn't it?
I'm
Oh yeah.
127% on those calls.
Yes.
IWM could be driving it. The momentum that's going on with the small caps right now could be driving it, helping it.
Yeah, yeah. Well, remember, right? SPY has 500 accounts in there, right?
Yeah.
So that's why SPY is up so massive today.
It's helping IWM. I know that.
Yeah, this is the 493's turn.
Yeah, exactly.
Intel and SPY?
Yes.
That's the main reason right there. There you go. That and NVIDIA. Both
Well,
of
all
those.
of it, Meta. I mean, everything is,
Exactly.
yeah, everything's just
All the
rocking
chips.
and rolling,
It's money on the sidelines waiting for the
Except
Fed
that
rate.
Apple. Apple is not playing nice.
It's all right. The good thing is Apple has an amazing leader over there in David, who is, I'm sure, walking them through the danger zones.
I don't know about this 2-minute EWO. I only hit 30-something% on this trade.
Yeah, it's all
They've
BS,
had an
isn't it?
amazing week. They've had an amazing few days on Apple too.
Oh my
David, it
gosh.
sounds like you need to get your $50 back, man.
That's right. Yep, calling BS on the whole program. Good job, David. Look at this. SPY new high. It's getting ready to, I mean, what is the high of pre-market here? Is it
Yeah, I was like, that's not your high
665?
yet. You're almost there. It's
Session high. 665.
665.10.
Yep. Yep. So be careful around 665, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, Coach. 665 is actually the expected move for the week for SPY.
Right, right. That is, look at this thing. Look at this rocket ship, gang.
Oh yeah, Coach.
This thing is nutso. Wow. It's the gift that keeps on giving, isn't it?
It's amazing.
All right, starting to get into
That's correct.
troubled waters right here, 664.26. Let me open this up. Hold on. Yep, 664.26. We're going to run into some resistance right here. You see it in the pre-market? Yeah, everybody be cool right there. 664.26. That's where I take some. You hear the sound of my voice?
One runner left, so
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yep.
that's a free play. It's a free play for me.
Yeah, just remember you can always add in if it runs again,
yeah.
right? But we like to collect at those key areas in the event that you don't want to give it all back.
Nope.
Look at this. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, if it goes under
Look at
the
that.
200,
It's under. It's
I'll
under
let
the.
it go.
Look at
Yep,
it's under the
right there.
9. Whose butt did I save? Tell me now. Wow, I just saved millions of dollars inside of this room off that call. Am I right?
Mine, coach.
Yes. That's massive, right?
Yeah, I just sold my
100%,
last
man.
one.
I like butts as a better metric than dollars of what you save.
Right.
Like, how many millions, how many butts you save?
Did you say I like big butts and I cannot lie?
I left that for you.
Thank you. I appreciate you. You wanted me to get canceled and not yourself. I hear you. Saving the cancellations for the big chief, huh?
$2,036.
Nice. Way to throw me under the bus because you knew I would go for it.
I knew you were gonna do it.
Yep, it's like he can't hide it. He can't deny it. He's gonna do it any minute here. And there it is. I knew it. Busted. Yeah, this can't hold the 9. We're coming back to 663.40. This is technically support again. Okay, this is support.
Yes, it's 350. Yeah.
Do you see how it's showing us this is support? Look at my chart down here, bottom right. So if you look at right here, 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 and here, this is support right now. See it?
Yeah, the 9 is there. On the 2-minute, the 200 is also there too.
So it's like a mini level of support.
Mm-hmm.
Coach Michelle over on YouTube said you saved my butt. Thank you.
Oh, good, good. Glad to hear that. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know, right? I'm glad people are listening.
What is that song? Big Bottom Girls or something like that?
Oh boy, now you got Richard involved,
I know.
Dawn.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my
Richard.
gosh. We're gonna be in
He's
so
been
much trouble
activated.
today. Yeah, he's been activated.
They make those at Taco Bell, I
Bad
think.
boy
Yeah,
today.
yeah. Don't be a Richard. Gonna get in trouble. We're gonna get canceled.
You need merch, coach, saving butts since 2023 or
That's
whatever.
yeah, I like that. I love it. That is actually awesome.
We love rounded bottoms.
Yep. Now look at that 663.75. Remember where I said that support right there? That's interesting.
I'd buy one.
I'd buy that for $1. Look at that pop off of 663.75. Huh? Are you not entertained or what? Come
I
on.
am
Come on.
entertained.
Come on. Oh, look at this push. Okay, this is where we look at adding again, right? Above 664.28 is an add. Not financial tax or investment advice, just a strategy for myself, no one else. Okay, great. Thank you.
Toxel consolidated and it broke its top.
All right, thank you. Thank you. There we go. Come on, baby, get up there.
NVIDIA is trying for new high.
Thank you. Yeah, that was a nice call for support, wasn't it, partner?
Amazing.
Let's watch for the push here now. All right, 0, 1. Okay, we're still on resistance. I'm going to look for volume. If I see volume come in here, I'm going to long this again. If I don't, I won't. So remember, we like it above 664.26. Otherwise, what you'll see is you'll get a candle pop, and then it'll drop, looking for a retest before it goes again. So that's why you don't always want to jump that first candle when it's breaking above a key area, right? That first big candle that comes out of it can sometimes wreck your soul. I need this candle to get the heck away from 664.26 because right now it's still sitting on resistance. This candle is, right? Give me a new candle high. I'm in it. Tight stop. Let's get a volume push. See a spike in volume come in. Come on, people should be loving that. Oh, don't you dare stop me out right there. What do I got? 20 ticks? Okay. Come on, push. There should be a big push right here. You had 2 candles above. Oh, I got stopped out. Damn it. 20 might be, I might have to go to 24 ticks. Come on, there should be a big push in volume spike. People saw that candle. You should get a spike in volume to the upside here. Of course, I got stopped out like a chump. All right, it's going to retest. I wasn't anticipating that off that candle. That's the retest.
We're all getting stopped out.
Yeah, I just went long again here. It's because that's the retest of support, which should bounce. So I was just expecting a bigger move coming off that previous candle, and it just didn't do it. Come on, big push. Let's go. I don't want to stop so tight again. Come on. It's stair stepping, but it's staying in it's where it's supposed to be, you know? So this is the part that would typically freak people out. But what is the overall momentum? Which side, gang?
Up.
That's right.
Up.
That's right. So stop freaking out on these little candle moves, right? Come on, get the volume and pop. Go, run, right now. Go. Yeah, what the hell are you waiting for? The hell out of my life. Go. Bye. Go on. Bye. Oh, my stop's not even being triggered. Look at my stops not being activated. You guys see it on my screen? Okay. Did you guys see my stop never worked? And I'm so thankful for that.
And now you're making more money.
Yeah, I'm like so thankful that that happened.
Like Bob Ross, a happy little accident.
Yeah. It really was, wasn't it,
Bank error
partner?
in your bank error in your favor.
That's right. And that hardly ever happens. You know what I mean? Yes. Thank you. Stop. But now that was the push I was looking for, right? That's the one I've been trying to talk it through.
Well, and see, so I saw that same thing happen the other morning in
Yeah.
Apple, where it danced back down past it, and I was like,
Yep.
oh shit, I'm surprised I didn't get stopped out, and then it moved
Yep.
back up, and I was like, okay, I'm still in it.
Yeah. Yep. Absolutely. Yeah. Now I've got one runner left, and I'm going to let this one run till the cows come home. You know what? It's like, bye. It's a free trade. So,
Well, and see, now you're getting your move, and Apple's curling back up, and it's slowly stepping up. So I've got one runner left, and it's at 20%. So
oh, yep.
see what
Nice.
happens.
Yep. Nice job. How much have you locked in today so far, David?
Let me see. I've got the last runner open, and I have locked in about 3,700.
Oh my gosh. Dude, that is so awesome. That is
Way
so
to go,
good.
David.
That is just so good. You're getting more and more and more every day. Have you noticed that? Does anybody else notice it, or is it just me? You guys notice his numbers are like creeping way up?
Yeah,
Yeah, did you hear me call
I
you
did.
Seabiscuit earlier?
Mm-hmm.
I did 2 scalps that were early
Yeah,
but we were still going to the downside, so it was early into the 2-minute EWO, and then I
yeah,
hit it pretty good when we got into the 2-minute EWO. So it works, and
yeah.
I show every day for everybody. We tell people this is what we're looking for, and then as soon as that is satisfied and it holds, it happens every single day. But some people get in there too early,
Right.
move too quickly, get scared out of the trade, and so it's all about comfortability in yourself.
That's
And
right.
9 times out of 10, if you're uncomfortable, you're going in too big.
That's right. Yeah, if you start to feel it, right, then you shouldn't be.
You're
And if
amazing,
I
David.
and if I may add, for small account holders, when I talked earlier today about Mara, its 2-minute EWO at 10:02. It was at 1760, and it's broken above $1,800 and going.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Small account holders, same
Absolutely.
system.
Absolutely. Who's still in Soxel? That's now up 11.7%, almost 12% on Soxel now. That's awesome. By the way, Soxel is now, I want to say it's the five bagger, 500X right now. It was close to $7 when I was calling it. You're at 500% on Soxel now at $34. 500% since April on Soxel, right? What the heck?
That'd be good.
Oh my gosh. You guys remember when I told you that one of our members just hit a $10 million profit goal? You guys remember me saying that?
Yes, coach.
Name to not be mentioned. Today he's already made $154,120 now.
Nice.
That's the day.
Woo!
Yes.
He is off.
That is incredible.
Congratulations. About $500,000 in 2 days.
Yep, that's beautiful, right? Good job. Who'd like to make $500,000 in 2 days? Anybody? Show of hands.
I'll take it.
All right.
Yep.
Nice, nice.
Get it?
Nice. Get it, get it.
Nah, I think you could do better.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. No, I don't think I don't want to pay the taxes on it.
I wouldn't mind paying the taxes on that.
Right? That's always the weirdos on the internet. Oh, I don't want $1 million. I got to pay taxes on it. Okay, genius.
I would love to pay taxes on that.
Yeah, me
Yeah, but I
too.
told an electrical distributor that was holding on to his Tesla, and the guy made $1 million by April. He said, "Well, what are the taxes on that?" I said, "If you have to ask, you need to be trained."
Yeah, exactly. Okay, right here. Sorry, real quick. 664.26 was a key area before, remember? We need to watch this. The 664.26. We hit that 665. We had that charted. Remember that was the double tops. Everybody remember when I said, watch when you get close to 665. Does everybody remember me saying that? That was the pre-market high, right? Okay, good. Because I
Well, we
remember,
heard you.
yep. And then I remember Ted came in and said, yes, 665 is what we were looking for this week, right? All the things. Oh my gosh. Okay. I had another member whose name cannot be mentioned. Wow. Wow. He's up $2.73 million so far today. First hour of the day. $2.73 million so far today.
Oh my God.
Yep. Nice job.
Woo! Doing it.
That's amazing.
Good job. American Dream Trading .com.
And he's
Getting
Mr.
it
Humility
done over
when he
here in the
trades you.
A's, D's, and T's, boy.
Good job. What did he start with? The person I was telling you was started with $700. He's at 10 million now since November, but technically started that November. So 10 months, $10 million, $700.
I think he could have been more, Coach, but he bought a new truck.
Yeah, exactly. Careful, don't give out too much information. All right. Watching, remember this key area right here, 664.24. This is a major area. Soxel is SOXL, Jose. Yep, you got it. Thank you, Dean, over on TikTok. I appreciate you. Everybody doing a great job today. We have over 300 members inside of our Zoom. We have over 200 people watching us right now. Nice, nice. We appreciate you being here. This is American Dream Trading. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading inside the stock market for 30 plus years now. We have trained over 1 million people here at American Dream Trading. We are one of the largest and fastest stock market education companies in the country, if not the world. All right, right here, I'm looking for a pull now, right? Because that couldn't hold that 664.26. We made our money up, and you guys should all be printing off the double top 665 on the way down, yes? Okay, good. Good job. Who got in on the double top 665? I'm over here talking while everybody's making all that fat loot. Who got off the 665 to the downside? Please tell me you did.
I did.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Be holding this sucker to the cows come home at that point, right? 12-6, 12-6, 12-6. Spy loves to be a clock. Good job. Nice work, everybody. Everybody that's over there watching on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Craigslist, MySpace, OF, Instagram, LinkedIn, Rumble, Kick, Morse code, smoke signals, or a fax machine. If you guys are making any money today, type in a 1 or send up a 1 puff of smoke or beep, 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 beep. We'll take that as a 1. If you're on MySpace, go ahead and play your favorite song on the page. We'll come visit that right away. If you're on OF, which is only fat guys.
Yeah, say hello to Tom on MySpace.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, all of our friends, Tom. Right? That'd be great. Thank you. Demetrius is now over there. I see you about to play a real nice song on MySpace for us. That's nice. Support 663.75. You can see it's starting to show a little bit here at 663.82.
I took it all right there. If I
Oh,
get breaks through, I'll go
yep.
back in. Otherwise, I'm looking for a little bounce.
Yeah, nice job. Good job, partner.
Our church group has a get together every month called the Romeo. It's real old men eat out.
Oh, I love it. That's awesome. I like it. Oh, nice, Dave. You still holding Soxel? Good job. Yeah, and NVIDIA, nice. Yeah, NVIDIA, we called that out too, right? Carvana, we've called out some major, major players. Good job. Claudia, I see you're getting help over help desk ticket 5546. Good stuff. Thank you, Bruno. Bruno, as always. You guys see how on the spot we are with those help desk tickets, by the way? Has anybody seen customer service like that before?
No,
Yeah,
never.
we're not playing any games over here, right? We pride ourselves on that. All the companies I've owned and or ran, customer service was everything to me, right?
Hey, Coach, when
Yes.
you're saying it's getting volume in, what are you looking at when you're seeing it hit the higher volumes or lower volume?
Oh, it's a good question. So I do a couple things. I'm either watching the actual volume number up here, so let me pull you up to SPY. So I'm either actually looking at the volume right here, Or I'm watching the candle. If the candle starts to dance, right, starts to move much faster, I can see volumes coming in. Or I can watch my L2s. So if you look at your L2s over here, so here, candles, how much they're dancing, and also, of course, we've got the real true volume right here, right? But when I'm looking at it, it goes first is the candle, second is the volume, third is over here on the L2, and fourth is the actual volume. And I know that could, and you could have your own way, your own flavor, but that's how I do it, right?
And don't forget about your awesome indicators that show the buying and selling volume of each candle.
That is correct. And if you've got our trading view indicators, yeah, it shows right on your charts, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep, you got it. Great question. Great question. I'm going to be leaving here in just a couple minutes. I've got a mentorship with one of my members for a full year. We're going to put in the work today. You guys need to sign up for that right now. Seriously, get it while you can. I never have that, ever. And I mean ever.
Can't wait to get to that level, Coach.
Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited for you to get there.
I will.
All right, we're watching the 663.75. Same thing. Same exact spot, right? Who's in off that double top still? Talk to me. You should be. At least a little bit, right?
I am, Coach.
Thank you. Is that a nice trade or what?
Yep. I mean, a little premature, right? It's getting up to its weekly high. It had to give a little bit.
Yep, and we always get in early because if you wait, you will never get in, right? We always talk about getting in the trade early. That's why I said the closer it gets to 665, you better be watching that big double top pre-market, which is the second highest you can have. First highest would be previous day, then pre-market, right? Those are the two that you want to really be looking at, and that's why we chart those every day. Am I right, everybody?
Yes, Coach.
Yep,
Yes,
yep.
sir.
It's a major area. Now think about it. If you got it on that double top, you could ride this pretty much forever until you started to see some kind of reversal, right? Look at this. Think about that up on 665 now, where we're at. We're halfway, right? Almost halfway to coming back to bottom again, right? You're going to have two major levels you're watching for on those short or puts. The 200 and VWAP now, right? So you're going to be looking at all these little key areas. So 663.40, then the 200. You break the 200, looking at VWAP. But you came from 665. You're $1.50 in the clear now. No more reason to panic for you. You've got your stop in place. You shedded where you wanted to take money, and you're letting the runners run. Are we all on the same page?
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, good.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay, good job. Good job. All right, we're closing in on the 200. We're 8 cents away from the 200. So technically, anywhere from here on, this is the 200, right? So I'm looking for support in this area. Because this would be the first area to bounce is that 200. So if it's going to try to make a move, doesn't mean it's going to be a full move to the backside, but if it's going to try to make a bounce, it's going to be right here, right? Which before we had marked at 663.40, okay? So it's all in that area to the 200. If it breaks that 200 and holds, I'm shorting it. Okay, otherwise I'm looking for a bounce off of the 200. Why? It's the second largest indicator on the screen. The runners just mean as it's going in your favor, when the momentum is in your favor, you allow them to continue to work. There's that bounce. Did I save anybody's soul off the bounce? Yes or no?
Yeah, Coach, I got out there.
Thank you. Good job. Now we'll see what it wants to do. That was the
That was
bounce I
awesome,
wanted.
Coach.
Yeah, yeah,
You helped me
right?
get $200 back right there. Thank you.
Oh, nice job, partner. Nice work. I like to hear that. Now we're watching again. So here's the retest, same exact area. That's 663.40. You can see it stalled out at 30, which is the 200, right? The 200 is support, so we've got to watch this. And there it is, bounced a little higher. Now you see how it keeps testing this area? Bounced up, hit the 9 and 21. Coming down to the 200. Now we're in the channel between the 21 and the 200. All right, if you're not in a trade, this is a no touchy because of here and here. This is where it is at. See my screen? Right? Don't mess with this spot. Wait for a break above or a break below, and just be careful because on the break below, you do have VWAP sitting right there. That is the largest level of support for the day is right there. But we have to respect the 200 first. It's first in line here. Only because of where it's at in the position. If we had two of them, if you had the 200 and VWAP, VWAP is always the primary. But because this is first in line to get hit, we have to respect this as support, okay? Now, those of you that have been here long enough, you could straddle this out, right? You could go both. Once it clears one side or the other, take the other one off, right?
Yeah, coach, that's what I did at the double top.
Yep, absolutely, yeah, because if it was going to run to the upside, you can kill the put. Drops to the downside, get rid of the call, right? It's such a
Yeah,
great
and if you think
hack.
about it, a couple candles isn't going to be a huge bite out of you right away, right?
That's right. Yep, absolutely. Yep, absolutely. All right, you see how we're still in this, the 21 to the 200. 21 to the 200. Now, I want to warn everybody, the overall has been upside, okay? So even though we're getting this pullback, the overall has been to the upside. So anytime I'm going against the grain, going against the momentum, I need to be extra cautious. Did we take the double top to the downside? Absolutely. But if you're just now, like every time looking to make a trade, I'm really cautious going against the grain on any trade. I just want you to be aware of it is all. I mean, I would love to see this come down, hit the 200, get a super gamma candle to the downside, which will keep it away from the 200, right? We'll dance around VWAP for a bit, and then I'd love to see it break through that and make new low a day, but that's just because I love that 12-6, 12-6, 12-6, right? Like a clock. New high, new low, new high, new low. All right, it's getting late. I'm going to prep for, can you please, what EMA and MA? I'm using the 9, the 21, the 55 in a pinch on the EMAs, and the 200 is my MA. Neeler, good to see you in here. Thank you. Oh, yep, just posted. There you go. Okay, I like to scalp off the 9 and the 21. The 55, I just like to see what it's going to do when it gets there. The 200 MA along with VWAP, those are my two largest support and or resistance levels of the day. I don't need anything else. We don't need anything else on our screen. We're not doing anything else. We don't use MACD. We don't use RSI. We don't use Bollinger Bands, right? We're not doing Fibonacci's. We're not, none of that in here. I don't need any of that garbage. You can keep all that garbage. If you like it, knock yourself out. I don't need it in here. 200 support. Again, see it?
Yeah, after those big runs, it needs to come back and confirm some sort of institutional support so it can work the upside. And then if we get a bullish side bounce on that, we'll see a new high a day.
Yep, absolutely. That's why I said if we can get a break of the 21 to the upside, I'll long it. And if you guys get a break of the 200, I'll short it. You just have to be careful because VWAP is, closing in on the 200 here now, right?
Yep.
So it's not a ton of room, but it is what it is. All right, listen, I'm gonna fly. I've got to prep for my mentorship. Everybody be cool. Have a blessed day. I appreciate you all being here. Let me thank everybody that helps put this entire thing on. Congratulations to those of you that made money. Those of you that are still on the struggle bus, that's okay. Every single day we will work with you. That is our jobs. If you're a premium member, we're here every day working with you from 8:45 to 4 o'clock with a live open microphone and Zoom. If you are a gold or above, you get training from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You get to work with all of our other self-made millionaires and traders. Yep, there goes the break of the 200. Just make sure it holds down there. And again, be careful. VWAP could be the bounce. That's the major level of support. So thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem. Trying to save my voice because I got to talk for an hour and a half here in a minute. Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. I'll take it. Appreciate you. Everybody have a blessed day. Good to have you all in here. Thank you again so much. Did anybody make any money?
Yes, sir.
You know it.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
42% on SPY contracts.
Nice job. Good
Yes.
job.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
Coach.
Good.
30% on SPY.
Good job.
I
Good
couldn't
job.
trade today, but I made a lot of notes and watched and learned.
Good job. Nice work, everybody. All right, don't forget, gang. It's americandreamtrading.com. It says join the community. americandreamtrading.com. Thank you again, everybody. Have a blessed day. I'm out.